Party Pilipinas, the latest K-pop sensation, Wonder Boys. Guys, medyo mahihirapan po ako kaya tinawag ko si Steven para mag-translate. Okay. First of all, welcome to Party Pilipinas, guys.
네, 감사합니다 ng Party Pilipinas. 안녕하세요.
감사합니다. Can we ask each of you to introduce yourselves, please?
yung 이름이 뭘 주세요? 이거는.
Good afternoon. I'm Chang'e.
What's that? What's your name?
ang pangalan niya si Chang'e.
Good afternoon. I'm Chang'e, and I invented the Wonder Boy kiss.
Si Chang'e. Ang pangalan niya si Chang'e.
Ba't ganun siya magsalita? Robot ba siya? Robot?
Ay, hindi naman. Medyo nahiya siya.
And you, please introduce yourself.
뭐 하세요?
이사오.
Ang pangalan niya si Isao.
He.
Medyo song
Isao. Okay. And sir?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm San Banyo.
Si San Banyo.
I'm sorry. What's your name again?
San Banyo. Brother of John. John Banyo.
Okay, brother of John Banyo.
John Banyo.
And you, sir?
Can I speak Tagalog? Yeah.
Yes. Please.
Mahal ko kayo. My name is Changako.
I'm sorry. What's your name again?
Changako.
Very nice. Okay. I want to ask them, Steven, what can they say about Accelerate and Down to Mars?
yung 둘이 Accelerate tsaka si Down to Mars. 괜찮으세요?
잠깐만, 그렇지. 잠깐만,
Go ahead.
Down to
magaling daw sila. Magaling.
Magaling daw. And you?
When I grow up, I want to be like Accelerate and Down to Mars.
Wow,
they're very good.
We're alike because we're down to earth.
Yes.
You're down to earth.
Yes.
You're alive.
Yes,
Very
yes,
good.
yes,
Very good.
yes.
Okay. I want to ask each of you, who are your crushes here in Party Pilipinas?
여기에서 sa Party Pilipinas.
Oh no, please don't ask that. No.
You first.
누가 yung crush mo?
You first.
Siya muna.
Yes. Who is your crush? Ulitin mo nga.
Ayan.
All. You.
Ikaw daw. Ikaw Jano.
And
Me.
you.
I have crush. But she's not here now. She got pregnant by that little boy singer. I don't know him.
Wala siya daw dito.
That little boy singer.
But why in the backstage you told me
No,
Solen?
don't say that. Don't say
You said
that.
Solen
No,
in the backstage.
No. That's between us only.
And you, who is his crush?
Si Jan Bano. Nugo yung crush.
Oh, my crush? Crush is the little guy. But
누구?
boy, he married.
Boy?
Yeah.
Boy?
Little
Yeah.
boy?
No, sorry.
No, the big boy.
Yes.
Okay. Last na, can you ask them to invite everyone to watch them? And where can they watch them? Nahirapan ka rin, ano? Sige. Please invite them.
Yeah, we want. Please, all our fans.
We invite. I invite you.
Yeah,
Invite.
you
Invite
watch us
us.
Bubblegum
Yes,
every
Friday.
Yeah, so we invite you.
Bubblegum. I love you. Mahal kita.
Invite you.
Mahal
Yes.
kita.
Yes.
Mahal kita. Just one.
We love you.
I love you.
Hi, Kurt.
Mahal
Thank
kita.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Wonder Boys. Any last words for them?
Word.
Okay, that's a good last word. Okay,
Thank you.
and you?
Happy birthday, Raul Mitra. Happy birthday.
You know Raul, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Thank you very much. The Wonder Boys, ladies and gentlemen.
Advance happy birthday, Padu.
Susunod na, siguradong kikiligin kayo sa aming pinakabagong segment, ang Love Party Pilipinas. At makikilala nyo na rin dyan ang ating pinakabagong kaparty na galing sa isang sikat na showbiz clan.
Paano na, When Party Pilipinas returns! Dream Boy! Hi, Bob!
Got it going on.